studied mountain goats for 10 years. He and other scientists believe enough goats live around Mount Baker that some could be moved to other parts of the state where they used to thrive, but no longer do. Around Glacier Peak, a former population of up to 200 is now down to 5 fewer.
Mountain goats don't reproduce very much. They usually, the females don't have young until they're about 5 years old. Sometimes they only have young every other year. So if you have a population of 3 to 5 animals, any death can stop the population from growing.
In the 90s, some proposed shooting mountain goats in Olympic National Park to reduce their numbers because they were eating rare plants. But goats are not native there, while they are in the Cascades. The so-called translocation plan would be just that, a relocation.
We don't have people thinking, or our own biologists saying, oh look, these things are really overdoing it.
Scientists say mountain goats are adaptable, and relocations have worked elsewhere. In Washington, that could mean more combined views of mountains and mountain goats. Near Mount Baker, Ed Muir.